Hey guys, hope you are all doing great. So today we are talking about that one word you keep hearing every single day. Game ready, game ready, game ready. Game ready characters, game ready assets, game ready environments, bro, it's everywhere. So what does game ready actually mean? Well, I'm gonna explain it to you completely and in the easiest chill way ever. So let's get started. Game ready means optimized for real time. First thing first, a game engine needs to show your character 60 frames per second, sometime even 120 FPS. That means your character must be light enough for real-time rendering. Imagine you are playing Fortnite, GTA 5 or Warzone. Your PC is drawing the whole world, multiple characters, lighting, shadows. If the model is too heavy, everything will lag like crazy. So game ready simply means fast, smooth and optimized to run in real time. So the number 2 is low poly but still looks high quality. Now this part is crazy. Game ready characters are low poly but they still look super high details. Why? I'm sure about that. You have played Assassin's Creed, Call of Duty, Spider-Man, right? The character looks insanely detailed. Skin pores, wrinkles, armor scratches, all perfect. But guess what? They are not high poly models. The details come from big maps, not geometry. So the magic trick is sculpt in high poly, bake details into normal maps, apply on low poly. Boom, high quality without killing performance. Number 3 is clean topology for animation. Next thing, your topology must be clean. If your loops are messy, the character will blend like a rubber. Think of game like The Last of Us or Uncharted. Notice how smoothly character moves, talk, crouch, fight? That's because the topology is perfect. Good loops around like elbows, knees, shoulder, mouth, eyes, etc. Game ready always means animation friendly topology. Number 4 is UVs must be clean. So the UVs are the most important part in game ready things. UVs are like the bed shade for your textures. If they are messy or stretched, your textures will look terrible. In Assassin's Creed environment, every tiny props look clean because the UVs are done properly. Clean UVs is equal to better textures, no stretching, no wasted space, better performance. Number 5 is PBR textures only. Game ready means the character uses PBR textures. That's the standard for every modern game. You need base color, roughness, metallic, normal, ambient, occlusion. This makes your asset look good in any lighting, like day, night, indoor or outdoor. Just like a Cyberpunk, Red Dead Redemption, God of War. Number 6 is details come from maps, not geometry. High poly sculpt is only for baking. You don't put 20 million polygons in a game, otherwise even NASA spaces will cry. Instead, we use maps to fake the details. Normal maps, height maps, micro detail maps. Look at Elden Ring armor or Horizon Zero Dawn robotic animes. So much details, but the geometry is simple. That's the magic of game ready workflow. Number 7 is small file size. Game engines hates heavy textures. You're not making a cinematic movie, you're making something that will run on thousands of devices. Most game ready textures are like 2K for characters, 1K for props, 512 for small assets. Games like PUBG Mobile or Apex Legends use crazy optimization to run on low-end phones. File size matters. Number 8 is correct scales plus no errors. Game ready means the model drops into Unreal Engine or Unity with no drama. So correct scale, clean normals, freeze transforms, pivot in the center, export as FBX. You know how satisfying it is when your asset imports and works instantly? Yeah, that's game ready. Number 9 is LODs for performance. Every AAA game chooses LODs. What LODs means is level of detail. When your character is close, high quality versions loads. When they move far away, low quality versions load. This keeps the performance smooth. Games like GTA 5, Assassin's Creed, Witcher 3, Uncharted, they all use LODs everywhere. And the last thing is game ready means the asset is made for gameplay. It's not just pretty, it must move smoothly, look good up close, run fast, load quick, work with animations and physics. Let me give you the last example, like a cinematic model is like a photo shoot, but A game ready model is like an action actor doing stunts. And that's it, guys. Now you understand exactly what game ready means. If you like this breakdown, make sure to follow for more 3D tips, one explanation, and easy beginner guidance. Take care and keep sculpting your voice.